Hey everyone, it's Jack Fuki again, and today I'm back with another episode of my 1/500 scale airliner reviews. Today will be sort of a special episode because I'm going to do an entire fleet of my planes here. Today we're going to be looking at the Inflight 500 Zip Air Boeing 737-217A fleet. This one came out in 2008. It was a limited production of 360 per plane. So 360 per plane and 360 sets, I guess, if we want to look at it that way. They do come in orange, red, blue, green, and pink. The pink one being the 2002 pink colors with CIBC Run for the Cure titles. And the one you're looking at right now is obviously the blue one. This one is it's basically the one that had the broken front landing gear that I glued back on, and just decided to go ahead and keep it. Actually, the guy I bought it from, Medi6565 on eBay, he told me to just go ahead and keep it, and he was cool enough to send me a new one. So I got one with and one without a broken gear. This is the one for the pink plane, the breast cancer one. Well, the plane doesn't have breast cancer, but you know what I mean. And the registration is C-FHCP. And this was a low-cost airline run by Air Canada. They kind of tried to do it a little bit like Braniff with the different colored planes. So that's really where the inspiration came from. But it's pretty cool. It's got that little bee on there. The green one, the registration is C-GCPN. The blue one, registration C-GJGP. And the red one, and the registration is C-GMCP. And finally the orange one. That is registration C-GCPO. And oh yeah, and then on the sides, it does. Well, they put the thing over. I did not pay $17 for it. Let me find one without it. Okay, there we go. It's supposed to have that on it. I wish they wouldn't put stickers over that junk, because sometimes it'll rip the box. As you can see, the boxes on these are in pretty good shape. But take a look at the planes. There is the pink one. That's what she said. See if we can see the, yeah, you can kind of see the ribbon, the breast cancer awareness ribbon there, and then it does have the CIBC Run for the Cure on there. It's a pretty cool little model. Do that. I actually had them arranged already, but I just thought maybe we'd just do it this way. And there is the fleet. Great detail. You can see it's even got stuff on the engines. The green one's real nice as far as the color, but they're all pretty good. I mean, they all have real good vibrant colors. And back to the pink plane. And if you flip them all over, There they are from the bottom. Not a lot of detail on that front landing gear, but you know, it's excused based on the fact that the rest of the plane is detailed out the rear end. Now, some of these you can see the details a little bit better on, like the red one and the blue one. It's always pretty nice to have a full fleet of something, but there's the green one from the front. But they're all pretty much the same. It's got the APU in the back. And the reason why I bring up the APU a lot is that there's a fair amount of these planes from the past that I've noticed don't have them, or you know, maybe they vary in detail. But that's pretty much it. It was a quick little review of those planes. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this one. I've got a Braniff fleet and a few other deals where I really wanted to put them all together and do a review on them, so I'll do that. You guys take care, and again, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and see you guys later.